shopping of the day. Cow foot, cow skin, cassava, saltfish, chicken feet. Red herring. Cracker Jack. Of course, in Jamaica we call this pear. Over here they say avocado. This is some kind of sweet from Africa. I love it very much. Anybody know the name of this? Then in the comments let me know. But I love it, I love it, I love it. It's from the African shop, okay? And green plantain. Look here, white yam. See, we can get stuff here in the Netherlands too. Yeah. Any Turkish shop or African shop you go, you can get a lot of stuff that we also use in Jamaica. I like this one for my hair. This one, I like that. And let me see. What me? Look. Remember back home in Jamaica, my mom have one of these tree that we used to, even when they're off right, like a little bit green, we used to pick them. Very, very nice. We don't have the tree here, but we get them like this here also in Holland. This one, I like mix this with peanuts, but it's like corn. I don't know if you can see the corn grains. It's an African thing too. So, see, very nice. Mix it with peanuts together. Very good. Just some of my little favorite things. And this one, fufu, my favorite. Love it, love it, love it. Sardine. Now if any Jamaican watching this, this is how we have to do it here in the tin. Boom! Euros. But we are thank God that we can still have it. Okay? It's only because it's in the tin, but it is still nice when you cook it up. And see, we have the saltfish right here. Ackee and saltfish, Jamaica best dish, the national dish. I like this for seafood. Most people use Maggi and all those stuff, but I use this one in seafood. Okay, also from the African shop, from Chris shop in Swallow. the seasoning salt, all-purpose seasoning. See? Okay, tamarind. Package is really nice. We call it in Jamaica tamarind ball. Yeah. Laka laka laka. So. If you use this for your hair, you can also get it here in Holland, okay?